Hi students, solids 15. There is a cone 50 mm diameter, 70 mm axis resting on VP on a point of its base circle. Axis making 40 degrees to VP and 30 degrees to HP. Axis making 45 degrees to VP and 30 degrees to HP. The problem is the cone is resting on VP on a point. Simple position, elevation and plan. Elevation is a circle, we are keeping the base on VP, elevation and plan. Redraw the plan. Inclination to VP, inclination of the axis to VP is given first. Redraw the plan so that the axis makes 45 degrees to VP. When this angle is 45, this angle also is 45. You must be aware of that. Name them. This is G1, so this is A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1, G1, H1, I1, J1, K1, L1, P1 and O1. Now what? Project a new elevation. Project a new elevation. You know the procedure. Draw vertical projectors up. Draw vertical projectors up. Draw horizontal projectors from the previous elevation. Mark the points A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, E1 dash, F1 dash, G1 dash, H1 dash, I1 dash, J1 dash, K1 dash and L1 dash, O1 dash, P1 dash. Complete the elevation. How will you complete the elevation? Will the full base be seen? No, the full base will not be seen. So this is firm. Connect the apex. Okay. Axis chain line. Actually, these are two tangents to the apex. Two tangents. Don't try to join this particular corner to the apex. If you do that now, a part of the ellipse may fall outside. Don't do that. Don't do that. Only draw tangent. Agreed? Okay. Now, you have completed the elevation. Now, this elevation has to be redrawn. Now, what is the sequence? 1, 2, 3, 4, now 5. How will you redraw the elevation? To redraw the elevation, there are two requirements. One is the axis has to make 35 degrees, 30 degrees to HP. Axis has to make 30 degrees to HP. Since the axis is making already an inclination to VP, this 30 is theta of axis. When theta of axis is given, you have to find out alpha of axis. When phi of axis is given, you have to find beta of axis. You have seen in previous cases. Here theta of axis is given, therefore you need to find out what? Alpha of axis. Then only you can redraw. Now, when you redraw this elevation, there are two conditions. One is the axis should make alpha to axis, alpha to xy. Second is the apex must be nearer to the HP. The question says the apex is nearer to HP. That means the cone this should come somewhere like this. The base will be here. Apex nearer to HP. The apex is nearer to HP. The question says. Agreed? Now, how to find out what you call as alpha? I take a line here. I do it here. I draw a line here. At the given value of theta, I draw a line. Theta equals 30. TL of axis. How much? 70. Draw the locus. Take the elevation length of the axis. Which is it? O1 dash, P1 dash. Take O1 dash, P1 dash in your compass and this as center katana. What is this? This is elevation length of axis. EL of axis. This angle is called alpha. Agreed? Once you get alpha, take any point at the obtained value of alpha, draw a line. Alpha, I don't know how much it is, whatever you get, draw a line. On this line, choose what? P2 dash and O2 dash. Let us take proportionate distance. Comes here, O2 dash, P2 dash, O2 dash. Draw these lines. I am identifying these points. Another measurement to be safe. Oh, half of that. Half of that either sides. Agreed? Connect these points. You have got the elevation redrawn. You have got the elevation redrawn. What is this? This is A2 dash. This is B2 dash, C2 dash, D2 dash, E2 dash, F2 dash, G2 dash, H2 dash, I2 dash, J2 dash, K2 dash, L2 dash. Agreed? Now what? You need a new plan. How will you draw that? Draw vertical projectors down. Draw horizontal projectors. Mark the points. The points are so much. A2, B2, C2, D2, E2, F2, G2, H2, I2, J2, K2, L2, O2, P. You have got all the points. Now connect them. Since the base is up and the apex is nearer to HP, the full base will be seen as an ellipse. Now, coming to the procedure once again. Simple position, elevation and plan. Simple position, elevation and plan. Redrawing the plan. This plan is redraw ചെയ്യും. എങ്ങനെ G1 XY വരും. With G1 on XY, redraw the plan. How will you redraw the plan? This axis has to make 45 degrees. Axis XY at 45 degree ഉണ്ടാകണം. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് 45 ആയിരിക്കും. Draw this 45. Draw this 45. Take the base and mark on it. This distance and this distance are the same. ഇവിടെ കുത്തി ആർക്ക് വരച്ച് അപെക്സ് കാണുക. ഈ ദൂരം സെയിം ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെയും കുത്തി ആർക്ക് വരച്ച് അപെക്സ് കാണുക. Draw vertical projectors, draw horizontal projectors, you get the final elevation, second elevation. Redraw this elevation. How will you redraw? After finding beta, alpha. Alpha കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചതിന് ശേഷം redraw ചെയ്യുക. Redraw ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ വരണം. Oh, these are dotted. ഞാൻ firm ആയിട്ടാണ് വരച്ചത്. I have drawn it as firm. That ellipse. Part of the ellipse is dotted. See, part of the ellipse is dotted. Part of the ellipse has to be dotted. ഞാൻ ആദ്യം വരച്ചത് firm ആയിട്ടാണ്. I have drawn it firm. It is dotted. Okay. You have redrawn the elevation. Draw vertical projectors. Draw horizontal projectors. You get the plan. Final plan. Since the base is on the top, base മുകളിലായതുകൊണ്ട് പ്ലാനിൽ full ellipse കാണും. Agreed? This is a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The disadvantage of this method is you have to redraw this plan. This will take some time. You have to redraw this elevation. This will take much more time. Auxiliary projection is much easy because this redrawing is eliminated. I hope you understand. All the maximum care is required while redrawing this. That's all. Okay. Thank you.